Hi Abdi, this is oorNews. So I hate getting on at my website and read my latest article about Ainin the robots afore they ain us. Ken Ainin the AI. Now, this is mich wheel ken, fit I'm doing with oorNews kens about AI. I'm training my own AI, ken and foot translate between English and Scots. Because I think for the future, ken for Scots, ken to bide with us as a lead that we can spec and we can use for sorts of things, and a lead that we could make use of mair. It could be for mair than just twee things. It could be for scientific discussions, engineering discussions, all sorts of things. Because we could just do Ainin in Scots if we wanted to. And AI is going to make that sort of thing mair possible. So AI has a lot. It's a massive opportunity for us. But as we all it's what I fear of. It's going to tackle a lot of jobs. I do think it's a wee bit funny new Abdi's getting worried about jobs getting taken by AI. But for a long time, automation has been taking jobs. I'm an engineer. When you're able to make a machine that's able to do the work hundreds of fowk at a rate a lot faster, you can do things more efficiently. And what that can do is it can lower the prices of things for fowk. And that's fit this robotics and AI is going to be able to do for folk. But we hate to see this as an opportunity. And I think the way you're going to do it is we're going to hate to embrace something a bit like universal basic income or a universal basic dividend. I kind of see only other option. And then we hate to then think about other things that we could do that would be more value adding and just it's other things to do. And use that to propel humanity. They just lays about doing nothing. I don't think most folk will do that. And there'll still be plenty of work to do. We'll just think about different jobs, new jobs. But we can't do it like we did before. See, hate to read my article about it, there's a lot of lessons to be learned from the past. And I reference Zeitgeist films, because they were inspiring to me, when I was younger. But I didn't want to knock off and down or disrupt off, and you want a gentle transition, for and I think there's a way to do it. And smack interests, like Scotland, could be the Ains that would lead the world in doing it. So we should be celebrating when the robots are doing jobs. Because then the profit for the robot doing that job is then gain back to the folk as a dividend that we can then invest in other businesses, potentially nae anything to do with AI and robotics. If you didn't want anything to do with it afore, you can just bite away for that. And I think we should probably nae be taxing the work of folk, and then just taxing the work of robots and AI. And then, because we should be valuing the work of real folk. And in a world of robotics and AI, it's going to be cheaper to do it with AI and robots. And I think folk like I was value the work of real folk. And just to let you elke article in oorNews AI must be part of the process, but it's my own work. Elke article takes a long time, it's a proofread by myself, and fit I'm bigging his dataset to train AI. It's my own thing, and I'm doing my own dataset. And if you want to contribute to it, let me know about it. And I like and subscribe to oorNews from here. And